Hey guys, मैं हूं Manish and welcome back to your favorite show, Planet Bollywood. Well, it's a brand new week and we have all the latest news, views and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. Well, the news about Amit Ji and Abhishek Bachchan testing COVID positive just goes to show that you can never be safe enough from this virus. The best thing that you can do for yourself is social distancing, is keeping your hands sanitized, and most importantly, wearing a mask. And also, don't forget that if it's not necessary, do not step out of the house. Stay safe, stay positive, stay healthy, and stay happy. Well, on that note, let's kickstart the show. But before I do kickstart the show, I do want to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for all the latest news, views, and updates, also from the world of Bollywood and social media. For any news that you miss here, you can find it right there. Now let's kickstart the show.
कंगना रनावत ने शुरू की अपनी नेक्स्ट फिल्म धाकड़ की प्रेपरेशंस। अभिषेक, ऐश्वर्या, आराध्या और अमिताभ बच्चन के कोविड-19 टेस्ट रिपोर्ट आए पॉजिटिव। फराह खान ने शेयर की लेट सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के साथ अपनी स्पेशल मेमोरीज। मुंबई से दूर पनवेल में कैसे मॉनसून सीजन को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं सलमान खान।
And now it's time to take a look at our special story for the day.
After testing positive for COVID-19, अमिताभ बच्चन and अभिषेक बच्चन फिलहाल मुंबई के एक हॉस्पिटल के आइसोलेशन वार्ड में एडमिटेड हैं, जहां ऐश्वर्या और आराध्या घर पर ही आइसोलेशन में रहेंगे। वहीं the other residents of the Bachchan household, Shweta Bachchan and her children Navya Naveli Nanda and Agastya Nanda, and Shweta and Abhishek's mother, actor Jaya Bachchan, have tested negative for the virus and are in isolation.
Legendary actor Amitabh Bachchan has tweeted last night saying that he has been found to be COVID positive. After his tweet came in, his son Abhishek Bachchan also tweeted saying that he too has tested positive for the virus. The both of them have mild symptoms and are both in a stable condition. They have been kept in an isolation ward in a hospital in Mumbai that specializes in COVID treatment. Here's the story.
The Bachchan home Jalsa and their office property Janak अब कंटेनमेंट जोन्स डिक्लेयर किए गए हैं एंड वहां पे किसी की भी एंट्री या एग्जिट अलाउड नहीं है। BMC carried out the sanitation of the entire house. A separate team of officials has also collected the COVID-19 contaminated waste from their home और जलसा के अलावा अमित जी की दूसरी प्रॉपर्टीज प्रतीक्षा और जनक को डीप सैनिटाइज किया जा रहा है। उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज के अलावा there are sanitation operations going on outside Nanavati Hospital as well, and the police have beefed up security outside the Bachchan residence and the hospital. Barricades have been placed outside Jalsa by the police and notices from the BMC declaring Jalsa and Janak containment zones have also been put up. There are reports that at least 100 people could have come into contact with Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek, and the authorities are now trying to track all these people down to get them tested. While Abhishek has been stepping out to complete dubbing, Amit Ji has been working from home for the past 4 months and has not been seen in public. He has been filming for his game show from home and was a part of several videos to boost the morale of Indians who are battling the pandemic. It is very unfortunate that Puri family is in a crisis currently, and we are hoping that Amit Ji, Abhishek, Aishwarya and Aradhya all recover soon and return home in good health. Contrary to reports that Abhishek Bachchan नानावती हॉस्पिटल से घर चले गए हैं, अभिषेक बच्चन ने अब कंफर्म कर दिया है कि वो हॉस्पिटल में अपना इलाज करवा रहे हैं। अभिषेक ने ट्वीट करते हुए कहा, "My father and I remain in hospital till the doctors decide otherwise. Everyone please remain cautious and safe. Please follow all rules." आगे अपने ट्वीट में अभिषेक ने ये भी कहा, ऐश्वर्या एंड आराध्या हैव आल्सो टेस्टेड COVID-19 पॉजिटिव. They will be self-quarantining at home. The BMC has been updated of the situation and are doing the needful. The rest of the family, including my mother, have tested negative. Thank you all for your wishes and prayers. Amit ji and Abhishek each have shared the news on social media with posts on a microblogging platform that gave all the details of their health, and Abhishek's post also asked people not to panic because the family is in touch with all the necessary authorities and abiding by the regulations. Aishwarya and Aradhya's positive test results were shared separately by the health minister. While Amit ji and Abhishek are admitted to the hospital, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan और Aradhya Bachchan अपने घर में ही आइसोलेशन में रहेंगे. रिपोर्टेडली ऐश्वर्या और आराध्या दोनों का ही ट्रीटमेंट डॉक्टर्स और बीएमसी वर्कर्स की देखरेख घर पर ही किया जाएगा. According to Abhishek's post, he and Amit ji were experiencing mild symptoms और Amit ji को थोड़ी breathlessness भी महसूस हो रही थी, जिसकी वजह से उन्हें हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट किया गया. Bachchan, who is 77, shared on Saturday night, I have tested COVID positive, shifted to hospital, hospital informing authorities, family and staff undergone tests, results awaited. All that have been in close proximity with me in the last 10 days are requested to please get themselves tested. Abhishek, who shared the news of himself being positive, wrote, earlier today both my father and I tested positive for COVID-19. Both of us are having mild symptoms, have been admitted to the hospital. We have informed all the required authorities and our family and staff are all being tested. I request all of you to stay calm and not panic. Thank you. An update later from the health minister on social media has shared that based on the symptoms they were displaying, the doctors took a test to determine if they had COVID-19 and the results were found to be positive. And the two of them have been admitted to a hospital near their home in Mumbai.
अमिताभ बच्चन और उनके बेटे एक्टर श्री अभिषेक बच्चन दोनों को भी माइल्ड तरीके का सिम्टम्स दिखाई दे रहा था. इस वजह से उन्होंने रैपिड एंटीजन टेस्ट की, जो टेस्ट पॉजिटिव आई है और उसके तहत उन्होंने सीनियर बच्चन जो कोमॉर्बिड भी है, इस वजह से उन्होंने एडमिट कर लेना पसंद किया है. वे नानावटी हॉस्पिटल मुंबई में एडमिट है. अभी उनकी स्थिति बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है. मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करूंगा कि अमिताभ जी और उनका परिवार जल्द से ठीक हो.
There is also an update shared by the PR team of the hospital which has said Amitabh Bachchan is stable with mild symptoms and is currently admitted in the isolation unit of the hospital. We are all praying for you, Amit ji, Abhishek, Aishwarya and Aradhya. We know कि आप इस बीमारी से लड़के बहुत ही जल्द ठीक हो जाएंगे and we are wishing you a very, very speedy recovery. बच्चन फैमिली की रिकवरी के लिए पूरा बॉलीवुड प्रे कर रहा है. एक्टर विवेक ओबरॉय ने ऐश्वर्या और आराध्या के इस पोस्ट पर लिखा है, Our prayers for the well-being and quick recovery of the family. विवेक की इस जेस्चर की सभी तारीफ कर रहे हैं. Amit ji and 3 other members of his family testing positive for COVID-19 came as a huge shock to friends and colleagues from within the industry and their fans from all around the world who have been sending in thousands of get well soon messages for the veteran actor and his family. वैसे तो हर संडे अमित जी अपने फैंस को अपने घर जलसा के बाहर ग्रीट करते थे, but this Sunday his fans were afraid and praying for their Shahenshah's speedy recovery.
The nation has always come together in prayer for Amit Ji's good health, whether it was back in the day in 1982 when he suffered a life-threatening accident on the sets of Coolie, or now that he has tested COVID positive. Fans, well-wishers, industry folk, and of course friends have all come together and sent out their love, concern and prayers for Amit Ji on social media, wishing him and Abhishek Bachchan a speedy recovery. We from Planet Bollywood are also wishing the family, all the love, happiness and best wishes, and of course most importantly good health. We're pretty sure that Amit Ji and Abhishek are going to emerge from this stronger, as they always do. Here's the story.
His fans were afraid and praying for the Shahenshah's speedy recovery. But this is not the first time जब Big B की ill health को लेकर उनके fans और followers परेशान हुए हैं. In fact, it was in July 38 years ago that Amitabh Bachchan had an almost fatal accident on the sets of the film Coolie, and he was on a ventilator battling for his life for several weeks. उस वक्त भी an entire nation had prayed for him, and people had even walked barefoot to temples in the hope that their beloved superstar would recover. शायद उन्हीं लाखों करोड़ों लोगों की दुआओं से Amit Ji healed from his injuries and went on to work in several successful films thereafter. Amit Ji, who has shared multiple messages of positivity and hope during this lockdown and has worked to spread awareness about the COVID-19 pandemic, has been flooded with messages from fans and people from within the fraternity who are wishing him a speedy recovery. Amit Ji's friend and co-star of many films, veteran actor Dharmendra, has shared a heartfelt message addressed to both Amit Ji and Jaya Ji. Dharam Ji wrote, "Amit, get well soon. I am sure of my courageous younger brother. He will soon be fit and fine in a day or two. Jaya, don't worry. Everything will be fine, my brave baby. Look after yourself and everyone at home. Love you all. Take care." In addition to Dharamji, many from the film fraternity have also wished the family a speedy recovery. Akshay Kumar, Sonam Kapoor Ahuja, Taapsee Pannu, Ranveer Johri, Ritesh Deshmukh, Kriti Sanon, Neha Dhupia, Arjun Rampal, Arshad Varsi, and just some of the B-Town celebrities who took to social media to wish Amit Ji and Abhishek a speedy recovery after they shared the news that they had tested positive. We do hope that all the affected members of the family recover soon and come back home safe. Here's wishing Amit Ji, Abhishek, Aishwarya and little Aradhya only the very best of good health and wishes. Actor Rachel White, who was seen in Imran Hashmi's Ungli, has shared that she has tested positive for COVID-19 and is under isolation at home. We have also learnt that a member of veteran actor Rekha's staff and some members of actor Anupam Kher's family have also tested positive for COVID-19.
डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा कि आप इनको सिटी स्कैन सेंटर ले जाइए और वहाँ पर इनका स्कैन करिए. तो हमने स्कैन करवाया जिसमें उनका COVID positive mildly nikla.
Since the start of the pandemic, Bollywood has seen quite a few cases of COVID-19 positive patients. This started with Kanika Kapoor, who was one of the first to test positive for the virus. Of course, she went on to later recover. But post which, there were a couple of staff members from various Bollywood households who came out saying that they had been tested positive. This includes Janhvi Kapoor, Karan Johar, Amir Khan, and more recently, Rekha Ji. All of their staff members had tested positive. For now, the families are safe. But in other news, Anupam Kher's mother and brother have tested positive for COVID-19 and they're in a facility getting the appropriate treatment for the same. Here's hoping for their speedy and sure-shot recovery. Here's the story.
Several homes in Bollywood have now been affected by the pandemic. After singer Kanika Kapoor, the Morani family, TV and film actor Kiran Kumar, staff members in several homes of Bollywood celebrities also tested positive. Boni Kapoor and Janhvi shared that 2 members of their staff had tested positive and had shifted to a BMC facility then to recover. Karan Johar had also shared that some of his staff members had tested positive for the coronavirus, following which the family had been in isolation for the stipulated time and undertaken sanitization activities in their home. Amir Khan had shared in a social media post that members of his staff had tested positive for COVID-19, but luckily none of the family members were affected. Actor Rekha Ji's home has just been sealed off after a security guard tested positive for COVID-19. The guard has been shifted to an isolation center for recovery, and other members of the veteran actor's staff have also been tested. Rekha Ji will also be undergoing a test to ensure that she has not contracted the virus. Actor Anupam Kher had also shared some bad news on social media this morning that in spite of all the care they took, his mother, brother Raju Kher and Raju's wife and daughter have all tested positive for COVID-19 and are showing mild symptoms.
मैं और मेरा भाई उनके साथ थे, तो फिर मैंने भी अपना और राजू ने भी, मेरे भाई ने भी अपना सीटी स्कैन करवाया, और जिसमें राजू माइल्डली पॉजिटिव निकले और मैं नेगेटिव था.
Given her advanced age, Anupam Ji shared कि उनकी मां को एक हॉस्पिटल में शिफ्ट कर दिया गया, where she will undergo treatment while the brother and family are under isolation at home.
इसके बाद I took my mother to Kokilabehan Hospital. They were very gracious and helpful enough to admit my mother there, and my brother and his family has quarantined themselves in their home.
It has been a very tough year for the country and for the film fraternity, which has experienced huge losses because of films not being able to release in theaters and shoots being stalled due to the pandemic and the resulting lockdown. As we wish all those affected a speedy recovery, we would also like to ask all of you to please not let your guard down and keep exercising as much caution as possible and only step out if absolutely necessary. Kangana Ranaut is back to work and all set to be dhakad in the next months to come. Ji haan, Kangana is back in the game and recently had an online script reading session with some important members of the team making Dhakad, one of Kangana's most ambitious upcoming projects. With many Bollywood stars slowly stepping out for shoots and attending meetings at producers' offices, Kangana, who is in Manali, has also started prep for her upcoming film Dhakad, but she is still in a work-from-home mode and operating long distance from her home in Manali.
Kangana Ranaut is still back home in Manali, but it seems like she is all set to get back to work very soon. Recently, her team posted a picture of Kangana, her writer and her producer of the film Dhakad while they were having a virtual meeting. Well, it does seem like Kangana is all set and geared up to get back to work again, and we are very excited to see the Queen back in action. Here's the story.
While she has been very active on social media during the lockdown, speaking up about various current affairs, Kangana की टीम ने उनके वर्क कॉल की एक फोटो सोशल मीडिया पर अपलोड की and shared an update on the film Dhakad. वीडियो के स्क्रीनशॉट में दिखे फिल्म के डायरेक्टर रजनीश घाई, राइटर रितेश शाह and प्रोड्यूसर सोहेल मकलाई. Kangana's team shared a picture of the three in discussion and added in the caption, "It's a virtual script reading session for Kangana Ranaut, Razi Ghai, Ritesh and Sohail Maklai as they start preparing for Dhakad #lockdown script sessions." Kangana looked really happy to be back to work and in the company of the Dhakad team. Some intriguing posters were shared online earlier where Kangana seemed to be channeling Lara Croft, looking absolutely smashing in a black outfit, carrying blazing guns and standing in the midst of open ground and buildings on fire. There's quite a bit of intrigue on the subject of the film. Lekin with the actor resuming work, maybe we will get to see some updates very soon. Dhakad was originally supposed to release during Diwali this year. लेकिन अब लगता है कि ये फिल्म भी अगले साल ही निकलेगी. धाकड़ के बारे में बात करते हुए कंगना ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था that the film will set new benchmarks in Indian cinema. Kangana is also waiting to resume filming for Thalaivi, which is another big budget project where she's playing the former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, Miss Jayalalitha. Good to see you back in action, Kangana, and we are hoping that ek karke sari pending films complete ho, so that theaters khulte hi we have an amazing number of movies to watch.
दोस्तों अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we're coming right back.
With lockdown restrictions slowly being lifted, many Bollywood celebs were spotted stepping out of their homes to work out, meet family, or enjoy the outdoors. Sisters Karishma and Kareena caught up after a long time at Kareena's home, while siblings Sara and Ibrahim cycled their way to better health with their masks on, of course. Salman was spotted on a trek with some friends and family members near his farmhouse in Panvel.
After an extended lockdown thanks to the pandemic caused by COVID-19, Bollywood stars are slowly but surely emerging from their homes. From taking a walk outside to working out to even visiting family, stars like Kareena Kapoor Khan, Sara Ali Khan and her brother Ibrahim and even Salman Khan were spotted very recently. Now this comes as a very positive sign, but also let's not forget that all these stars were seen following all the necessary precautions including social distancing and wearing their masks. Here's the story.
After spending several months at home, looks like celebs अब धीरे-धीरे अपने पुराने routines में लौट रहे हैं. Karishma, who has been in quarantine with her kids, was spotted by the press outside Choti Behan Kareena's house. Kareena, who has been at home with Saif and little Taimur, played host to her mom Babita ji and sister Karishma, who seemed to have dropped in to meet her favorite nephew, जिनके photos वो अक्सर social media पे post भी करती हैं. Karishma, who is usually dressed perfectly, chose to keep it casual but made sure she was wearing the most fashionable accessory trending right now, a mask. इससे पहले Kareena had shared pictures of a delicious-looking cake that Karishma had sent over, लेकिन with restrictions being eased, इस बार Karishma खुद आई अपनी बहन से मिलने and to play with her darling nephew. But while Kareena and Karishma were hanging out, Sara and Ibrahim Ali Khan were working out by cycling together, लेकिन masks पहन के. The siblings, who often share pictures of themselves working out together, seem to have decided to step out of their homes and work out in the fresh air of Mumbai, but reminded their fans and followers कि घर से निकले तो masks पहनना जरूरी है. And while the two seem to have had a nice long cycling workout, Ibrahim also shared a post which said that they were too tired after their ride across the city.
He lost the way. I told him if he takes us back, he will get non-veg.
But the youngsters were not the only ones working out. Salman's bodyguard had shared a video on his social media page of the Dabangg star enjoying a walk in the lush green outdoors with a few others, जिनमें से एक उनकी alleged girlfriend Ulia Vantur है. Ulia had also shared snaps from this outdoor trek which involved waterfall spotting. Salman, who has been in his farmhouse in Panvel during the entire lockdown period, seems to have stepped out to take a walk instead of working out indoors in his gym and was seen navigating puddles and rainwater during the nature walk.
He lost the way. I told him if he takes us back, he will get non-veg.
After a long and exhausted lockdown, it's great to see our movie stars also get back to their pre-pandemic lives, just like the rest of us who are going back to work or working out with all the safety measures in place. Here's hoping to see them on the big screen very soon.
Well guys, with that we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. Stay home, stay safe, and if you're wondering कि घर पे बैठे-बैठे क्या करें, then do check out our Zoom Facebook page for all the latest news, views and updates from the world of Bollywood, social media and most importantly, your favorite celebrities. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, ciao.